In this increasingly complicated world, we're all looking to make sustainable choices and to keep things simple. Being able to source multiple products from a single supplier committed to sustainability ticks both boxes. So, imagining you were designing a groundbreaking product for the modern world. How could a supplier like Bostik help you? You could use Bostik's range of Born2Bond engineering adhesives for a number of tasks. Born2Bond anaerobic thread locking and retaining adhesives provide vibration and corrosion resistance, maximizing reliability and safety. While our instant adhesives range offers high precision, fast curing solutions, enabling more efficient and smarter production processes. Prioritizing user safety and sustainability, many of these solutions are solvent-free, low odor, and low blooming. For waterproofing and dustproofing applications and high-precision bonding, Born2Bond UV CIPG gasketing solutions and high-performance HMPUR adhesives are the optimum choice for modern-day industry demands. This makes them ideal for applications such as battery enclosures, where we also find multiple applications for Bostik's battery cell and module adhesives and other Born2Bond products. Offering vibration and shock resistance for enhanced safety, they are designed for cost-saving, high-speed automation. Plus, their versatility across different substrates enables improved battery performance and greater energy density. For many component parts, you can turn to Arkema, Bostik's parent company. Arkema is a pioneering manufacturer of advanced biocircular materials, offering solutions to multiple markets, with many of its lightweight, high-performance polymers derived from sustainably farmed castor seeds.